Hey friends, welcome. Here's Eli. Today we're going to review letter sounds. Calling lamb, ah, ah, ah. The bouncing ball, wuh, wuh, wuh. Clicking camera, k, k, k. Dancing dino, duh, duh, duh. Pecking hen, eh, eh, eh. Spinning fan. Gulping gopher, g, g, g. Hurrying hound. Giggling pig, eh, eh, eh. Jumping jump rope, j, j, j. Camera, clicking camera, k, k, k. Licking line, ooh. Munching monkey. Noisy nose, Sick fox, ah. Popping popcorn, quacking ducks, quack, raking robot, sizzling sauces, ticking timer, t, pulling tugboat, vacuum, washing washer, woo, exiting exit, yakking yaks, zipping zipper, zzz. Now the long vowel sounds. A, E, I, O, U. Don't forget to practice your letter sounds. It's important if you want to read.